In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from portrait to landscape in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and when you log in, you will likely end up on either the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, regardless of where you are, look over to the left-hand column and click on projects. Now, when you've clicked on projects, you'll be able to view all of your projects. So what you need to do is navigate over to the project that you would like to apply this change for. And once you find it, the Canva design editor will open. So once you're inside the Canva design editor, look over to the top left corner. Next to file, click on resize. Now, when you click on resize, you'll have a range of options. Under browse by category, click on custom size. Now, when you click on custom size, you will have a width field, a height field, and a units drop down field. Click on the units drop down field, and there will be three formats, page format sizes that appear. You'll have a square page, you'll have your current portrait page, and there'll be a landscape option. All you need to do is click on landscape, and you can either copy it and resize it, or you can just resize it as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on resize this design, and once it is resized, your page will now be in a landscape format. So I hope that you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, if you had any issues during the process, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.